Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Manaphy from Pokemon. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So let's move over to the left side. I'm going to draw an oval, starting from the very top. We'll work our way down to the bottom. And then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a large gap in the center and do the same thing on the right side. So we're going to line up the top of the eye and draw on that oval. In the inside of each eye, I'm going to draw a smaller oval. Starting at the top, leave an even space gap all the way around. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. At the top of each iris, I'm going to draw a highlight. Starting on the left, I'm going to curve down in the middle, and then back up on the right. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now in the center of the iris, I'm going to tuck a pupil in underneath the highlight. So a small oval, starting on the left, just underneath the highlight. We'll curve around and up. We're going to fill that in black. Then we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to move in and draw the top edge of the mouth. Starting from the left side, we're going to curve down and then up. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with the lower part of the mouth. Starting on the left, we're going to curve all the way down towards the bottom, round out the bottom, and then come back up on the right. Now that we've drawn the face, we can work our way around the side of the head. So at the very top in the center, we're going to leave a gap. On the left side, I'm going to curve out and around the eye, come down towards the jaw. Now we're going to round out the jaw and come in towards the neck. Now again, I want to leave a little gap in the center of the neck. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to move over to the right and curve out around the right eye. Again, coming down towards the jaw. Now we're going to round this out and come down and in towards the neck. Let's add the spots along the top of the eye. So on top of the left eye, we're going to move up and draw in a circle. And we'll do the same thing on the right, just above the right eye. Now we're going to move to the side and up and draw a slightly smaller circle. Now we're going to connect these circles to the top edge of the eye. Starting with the center one, we're going to draw a straight line coming down. Do the same thing on the right. Now on the ends, we're going to angle down and in, aiming towards the pupil. Now we're going to move down and draw on the arms. From the inside corner of the neck, we're going to step out and draw a curve coming down and out towards the left, towards the end of the arm. We'll do the same thing on the right, coming down and then out. Let's round this out and then we'll pull this back in on the inside of the arm. Right here, we're just going to round this out, come down. Now I'm just going to pull that up and in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Rounding this out, coming down towards the bottom of the arm, and we'll pull that up towards the same height. Now I'm going to turn the body facing towards the right side. So right here, we're going to step down. I'm going to draw a curve, coming down and in towards the left. Now we're going to draw on the legs. About halfway along this line, I'm going to curve out and then down. We're going to round this out and come up towards the center of the body. Up to right about there. We're going to flatten this out, come down towards the left. Now I'm going to take this and flip it over on this side. So we're going to round this out and tuck this in underneath the left arm. Now there's two ovals in the center of the body. So we're going to move to the top and draw a large oval. And then we'll move down and draw a slightly smaller one. Now we're going to move back to the top of the head and draw on the antennas coming down the left side. So we start at the top of the head on the left side here. We're going to curve out around the head. And we're just going to pull that in to right about there. At the end, we're going to draw in a circle with an open end at the top. Starting at the end of the line, begin to draw that circle. And come up and in, again, leaving a gap. Now from here, I want to draw the outside of the antenna. We're going to go wider as we come up and then taper that in towards the center of the head. Goes wide. Now we're just going to taper that in towards the middle of the head. Let's go to the right side. We're just going to trace this out on the outside. Just going to follow that same curve going all the way around. just gonna pull that down to right about here. Now again, we're gonna add that circle. We're gonna tuck this in behind the front circle, going out, and then pulling that up. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Manaphy from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.